Although it was impossible to say conclusively that Miriam, police now believe that the attempted bombing of Alan's car was Miriam's. She was conveniently away from the car inside the store when Alan found a sticking out of his gas tank. To investigators, it reminded them of the car bomb.
Gì đến? Cô Tảo